I'm Katherine Scott, and I'm here to answer some basic questions for you, like these. Who is Federal Signal? What's behind what we do? And what's our role in advancing safety and security? How do we work with our customers? And what products and services do we provide? Okay, let me start with this. For many years, too many years some might say, communication, personnel safety, and security requirements were thought of in terms of individual components dedicated to specific needs. But as these needs have grown in complexity and expanded to encompass everything from public address announcements, multi-party telecom, paging, intercoms, to outdoor warning, and even real-time interoperable communications, the concept of integrated communications has emerged as an essential component of facility planning. That's right, I said essential. But semantics aside, a truly engineered system represents the interconnected components and subsystems assembled to manage critical communications for applications like offshore drilling rigs, large manufacturing and processing plants, and municipal facilities. I'm talking about system components like public address, evacuation, general alarm, PBX telecom, radio control, fiber optics, and emergency signaling. That said, it's clear that there's a lot involved with what we do. So how do we go about doing it? How do we work with our customers? Well, responding to the needs of each customer typically begins with an in-depth analysis of the application, including a thorough discussion about safety and communication strategy, and an assessment of potential hazards posed in the environment. We often do this in conjunction with our technology partners so we can cover as much of the technical landscape as possible. With this comes an audit or review of the site's overall communication, safety, security, and signaling requirements. Then, after establishing the critical design parameters for each subsystem, we are ready to engineer a comprehensive integrated solution. It's important to know that throughout the entire process, Federal Signal engineers are diligently monitoring, testing, and evaluating performance and reliability of each individual component and subsystem. Our ultimate goal is to deliver an integrated system that is perfectly aligned with our customers' needs for fail-safe communications, emergency warning, and security. Did you know that Federal Signal is the world's largest manufacturer of industrial-grade signaling devices and communication systems? It's true. And yet it would be a mistake to think that specifying the myriad of subsystems and components that make up an integrated system is a mere matter of ordering from a catalog. This is particularly apparent when it comes to meeting the regulatory requirements of offshore customers, which often call for modifying existing products as well as sourcing outside suppliers. Net-net, we are in the business of doing whatever it takes with our products, as well as others, to develop the perfect custom-engineered system.